You mentioned the fact that the lien holders typically have a deductible in the event of you filing a claim. Why 500? Why 1,000? That's quite a chunk of change for people to come up with. How do they arrive at those numbers?
I think that's just a requirement. Now, let me give you an idea of how deductibles work, and then you can make the decision from there, right? The deductible is your investment in repairing your vehicle, right? So therefore, if the vehicle costs $10,000 to fix, and you have a $500 deductible, the company is saying, this is your investment in repairing the car, so we will give you a check for $9,500, right?
But you know, most of us see that the way we see it is that we've been paying much more than $500 over the 4 years or 5 years or 10 years that we've had the policy.
Okay,
That's our investment.
So therefore, you can choose a zero deductible, but the higher your deductible is the lower your premium.
So they will always go hand in hand.
So they go hand in hand. And we have a lot of customers who come in and they can't afford, I'm throwing some numbers out. They can't afford $800 for the year for insurance, right? But they can afford $700 or $650. And in order for them to be able to afford it, then they have to increase their deductible to bring their premiums down.
So it's an option.
So it's an option.
And most companies will offer a variety of terms.
But the bank is saying a maximum deductible of $500. You can choose $300, $250, $100, whatever, but a maximum, because they don't want you to choose a $2,000 deductible that you can't pay out of your pocket at the end of it, right? So they're saying a maximum of $500. I've seen companies say a maximum of $1,000. Lien holders that says a maximum of $1,000, but it's, it all depends. It varies with companies. And also we need to cover this, that the banks most time dictate what kind of coverage you have on your car. The bank will tell you, because they have an interest in the vehicle, they don't want you to drive down the street, hit the vehicle, and it just sits there because you don't have insurance. So they generally say, we need you to have comprehensive and collision with a deductible not less than $500 or not less than $1,000. So generally, the banks will dictate, if you don't have insurance on your car, they will put insurance on the car to cover it. But they will only put comprehensive and collision. That's up to you to find liability coverage.